Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Thanks for tuning in. Basically on this channel I'll be bringing in products and testing them. That's simple. Alright, so let's get started. Over here we have Bluetooth headphones by Bluedio. It's not really that common in the stores, but it's a good company. I have their Bluetooth earbuds. They're supposedly good. Over here it says that they are crystal clear sounds, sweat-proof, wind noise reduction, and they don't stick on they stick on your ear. Sorry. Alright, so let's unbox it first of all. There we go. Whoops. My bad. There we go. The box was difficult to open. Alright, here we go. Alright, is there anything in the box? Nope. Alright, so we have good looking earbuds over here. As you can see, they're white. They're connected by one cord, as they are, hence they are Bluetooth. Okay, look. Over here we have a charge cable. We have some extra earbuds over here. And over here we have the manual, which is not that big. Never mind, I changed my mind. Okay, so let's get my phone out. Alright, let's go over here to Bluetooth. Okay. Actually, hold on. Let me see if they're gonna turn on. Yep, they need to be charged. Alright, hold on while I charge them. Alright, I'm back. The headphones are fully charged now. As you can see, over here, this is not a button. This is where you put the charger cable in. Okay. Oh, the charger is really hard to get in and also hard to take out, and the only way to charge it is through a USB port, so it's really annoying. Just a little note. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh, it's pretty cool. It says power on when you turn it on. Okay, so let's connect it to my phone now. Okay. Hold on. Alright, that's pretty cool. It says connected also when you connect it to the phone. So that's also cool. Okay, so let's try playing some music. Here. it looks like they're good. And let me try them on. So they weren't lying when they said that it sticks to your ear when you put it on. Sorry. They weren't lying when they said it sticks to your ear when you put it on. And the sound quality is pretty good. And they're actually really comfortable when you put them on. It's very good for long walks or jogs. I would be definitely using those. You should get them. I prefer that you get those for Bluetooth earbuds, which is not something common that you see outside, so that's pretty good. It's like one of the few ones that you can actually buy is actually good quality, so that's pretty cool. I suggest that you buy those. Alright, let's turn it off now. And it also says power off as you expected. Okay, so thank you for watching my first video ever, and hopefully the first of many. And I would appreciate it if you commented what you thought about this video and also liked it. And also if you would subscribe, that would be really I would be really grateful. Alright, thank you very much for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you soon.